What up, my dudes? Please disregard the fact that this looks like it's been recorded on a potato. I just want to share a little bit with you what I do, so let's get right into it. So here we have this 3D design Pierce the Veil logo. As you can see, it's completely not functional, but I didn't really want it to be anyway, considering when I 3D print it, it's going to be made out of plastic. And I did 3D print it, and I put it together with blue tack. So, yeah, not functional. But what I did with this design and what I do for most of my designs is I just traced it, and you trace it and then you just extrude it. And what I did here is I lofted it actually. So that's how I got that 3D effect. This one here I can't even really explain how I made. It's just really complex. One of my friends or buddies just kind of wanted Bruce Springsteen's guitar, and I decided, shit, why not? So here it is, 3D form. It's one of my favorites actually, so pretty cool. Now this one, while it looks a little lewd at first, it's actually from the Fairly Odd Parents series. It's the Crimson Chin Boy Wonder, or whatever it is. My sister wanted it for a Halloween costume, so I'm just like, yeah, sure, I'll make it for you. And yeah, just looks like a pair of balls, but rest your chin there, and it becomes a part of the costume. And then there's Catman, so that's pretty cool. This one, well, just looks like any ordinary kind of gear. It's actually a gear for the Pinball Funhouse. It's missing a piece right there. My dad gave it to me to remake. So I measured it up and down and left and right, whatever. And there it is. 3D and all, and then I 3D printed it and it worked in the machine. How awesome is technology, honestly? And then you can't really see anything on the wireframe because, like I said, filmed on a potato. Great. So for anybody who's familiar with the band Neck Deep, you'll recognize their logo. Um, Here I kind of made it a keychain, but I kind of did a little spin-off up there, Neck Derp, and gave it red eyes and all that. And again, you can't really see the wireframe, but yeah, it's 3D, as you saw from that side view. And yeah, Neck Derp, everybody. And here I have an array of keychains. I kind of do things like this a lot. It's like circle keychains or whatever. And wireframe again. You can't really see it on this potato. But there are a bunch of logos from My Chemical Romance, 21 Pilots, and Jack Skellington. But yeah, there's white and then there's colored and then there's multicolored, which you can do with a simple 3D printer. You just have to layer it in a certain way. Set off the z-axis. And that's all I have today. Cool. Bye.